Garlic is a food that you've surely tried at least once. Did you know that the beneficial properties of this food are not only limited to protecting it from a cold? 1. Benefits of garlic for your health. Garlic is at the top of this list of food recipes. Garlic is one of the most widely used foods. We are so used to it that we don't even notice the uniqueness of this product. This spicy herb has been used in cooking and for medicinal purposes for thousands of years. It is recommended to read the full story to know the incredible benefits of it. 2. Increase memory. With age, cognitive and memory changes can occur. The parts of the brain related to learning, memory, planning, and other cognitive functions can shrink as you get older. Additionally, decreased blood flow to the brain due to narrowing of the arteries, free radical damage to cells, and increased inflammation in the brain can occur, all of which affect cognitive function. Garlic has inflammation-reducing properties that can be beneficial to your brain. 3. Improves and prevents hair loss. Garlic promotes hair growth by making it longer and thicker. To achieve this result, one must apply it to the scalp. Garlic could end your hair loss problems due to its high levels of allicin, a sulfur compound similar to that found in onions, which is found to effectively treat hair loss. 4. It improves the immune system. Garlic must be fresh to protect you from disease. Contains plenty of vitamins, beneficial oils, and amino acids. Plus, it has allicin, an organic compound that kills bacteria and fungi. Allicin is formed only by the mechanical destruction of plant cells that occurs when cut or pressed. When a tooth's integrity is destroyed, its components mix and form an antimicrobial compound, while heating kills almost all of garlic's beneficial properties. 5. Reduce dental problems. Due to its antibacterial and antifungal properties, garlic is good for the oral cavity. Kills harmful microbes and heals inflamed gums. In addition, this useful product reduces the risk of caries. Therefore, if you start eating garlic regularly, you will not need to see your dentist as often. 6. Increases resistance. Garlic makes the heart and muscles work more effectively. If you play sports, consuming this product will improve your results. It reduces fatigue, increases productivity and helps people to survive the cold season. 7. Benefits for the skin. Garlic is a powerful antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Since acne is caused by excessive accumulation of toxins, clogged pores, and bacterial infections, garlic can be used to reduce acne. Helps protect skin from UV damage and wrinkles. 2 cloves ingested daily are sufficient to develop the production of natural collagen and elastin. 8 regulates blood pressure. Add garlic to your diet if you suffer from high blood pressure. It widens the vessels and lowers blood pressure. To cure hypertension, one must eat 4 cloves of garlic a day. In addition, garlic lowers the level of bad cholesterol in the blood by 10 to 15%. If you liked it, do not forget to click on like and subscribe to be aware of the coolest things in the world.